And that is back
more, yeah.
good. Look at that ominous sign in the sky. Now, we were talking earlier, of course, about ominous things and birds or animals that people might kill for good luck or bad luck. The vulture is one such animal. Lovely. Sorry, I just had to wet my whistle, everybody. I was starting to get a little gruff in the throat. Just thought I heard something here. I'm just going to sit here for a second. Did you hear it, Vim?
No, what?
It just sounded like a sneeze.
Oh, that was a vulture.
Was it the vulture sneezing?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, okay. The vulture has got pneumonia and is sneezing. Isn't that a lovely shot?
There he goes again.
He is sneezing. I don't know if you can hear it, but he goes, bless you, Mr. Vulture. It's too funny. Let's see if he does it again. His crop is full. You see that swelling underneath his neck? That's his crop. He's obviously eaten somewhere around here today. I've never seen a bird sneeze before. See if he does it again. It's too wonderful. No. He's going to sneeze again, slightly insulted by the fact that we've laughed at him. Now that bird, of course, is a passerine, so it's a perching bird, but it isn't so much perching as balancing. A vulture has fairly large feet, and Eric, you're obviously quite au fait with the size of vultures' feet. You say, why are they so large? Well, I mean, I don't know that they're that much larger proportionately than many other birds, but I suppose the answer would be that they need them for balance when they are trying to scrabble around on a carcass. They don't have those very powerful gripping muscles in the same way that many of the other raptors do. So it's difficult for them to perch. Well, I mean, they can sort of perch, but not like some of the other raptors. So maybe they have largish feet just for kind of balance and for fighting each other off at carcasses. I'm not sure, Eric. I mean, I've had a white-backed vulture sitting on my arm, and I didn't sort of look at its feet and think, well, those are much larger than any other raptor's feet. Certainly their claws aren't quite as long or sharp as those on a martial eagle, which is a similarly sized bird. That's a white-backed vulture, everyone. A white-backed vulture with a head cold. And he'll just sit there for the rest of the night, watch the night come in, and he's very safe up there. Righty, on we go. Kind of